Hi, I'm Jim Dinella, founder and CEO of Dinella Companies. We at Dinella believe in the zero incident philosophy, which means accidents are not an acceptable part of doing business. We believe that every accident is preventable, and prevention begins with a positive attitude towards safety. The Dinella Way is about being better together, which is why we have created learning videos that review high-risk activities associated with our line of work. We want you to understand that you have a responsibility to work safely and understand the work you are performing. If you do not have a grasp of the work, stop immediately and consult with your foreman. And remember, each employee has the ability to stop the job if unsafe working conditions are identified. If ever in doubt, reach out to your division manager or safety team directly to help you create a safe working environment. We all have a personal responsibility to think ahead, to keep ourselves and others safe at home and at work. And I personally expect you to take advantage of the resources we have put into place to keep you safe. I want to thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything you do.
The intent of this video is to illustrate the minimum PPE for use on all job sites. The PPE that you are provided is your first line of defense to avoid injury on the work site. When working on a Dinella job site, you're required to properly wear the following PPE. Work boots must be made of sturdy upper leather, have a reinforced toe box, steel or composite, have a minimum 6-inch high ankle support, good tread, and laces to ensure proper fit. A hard hat must be worn at all times when on the job site. It must be in good condition and free from any unauthorized stickers or decals. In cold weather, you cannot put a hood under the hat. Check with your safety personnel for an approved hard hat liner. Safety glasses are required at all times when on the job site. The proper usage of safety glasses will protect your eyes from injury. High visibility clothing must be worn at all times. This will allow the crew to be seen by traffic and equipment operators. Be sure to use a face shield anytime you're using a cutting, rotating, or grinding tool, as well as an air knife. Safety glasses must always be worn under the face shield. Always wear the proper gloves for the task at hand. Dielectric gloves are to be worn when working around live electric lines or digging over direct buried electric cables. Wear leather protectors over the gloves to protect them from damage. Hearing protection must be worn when using loud tools or equipment. The general rule is if you have to shout to be heard, you need hearing protection. Metatarsal guards need to be used when using a jackhammer or air tamping to protect the top of your feet. Always make sure you have received proper training, medical evaluation, and fit tests prior to using a respirator. Chaps are required when using a chainsaw at waist level or lower to protect your legs. If you are unsure of the proper PPE that is to be utilized for a specific task, please talk with your foreman or supervisor. If the PPE is damaged or has excessive wear, it should be replaced immediately. The Dinella Way is all about being better together, so remember, each employee has the ability to stop the job if the unsafe working conditions are identified. If ever in doubt, reach out to your supervisor or safety team to help you create a safe working environment. Thank you for working safely and taking pride in everything we do.